Hello and welcome. So this video is from my Organize4thebetter Google blog post, and I'm talking about how I organise my work. Some time ago, I think it was 2 blogs ago, or 3 or 4, I did a video about how I live in my notebook, because I use it, and I prefer to use A4 for my to manage my work, and it's how I like to function. And what I've done this time is that I've made the notebook I'm using, that I'm starting to use, more functional, so that I drew that up last week to plan it out, and it's going to be like a personal spread that I'm going to be doing sort of regularly, if not each week. And so that is basically how I organise my life. I like to have like a week in a glance sort of layout. Then I will have like pages where like all the blogs videos that I've uploaded and gone live so far this week, because I've already I'm working through this list. You can see it. I'm working through this list at the minute of all the blogs that I posted that need to go onto my network site, which is www.carriesblognetwork.squarespace.com, and this is for all the ones you see where I've scheduled them to go live for the following week. And so I wanted to make my next one more functional, and so I must have put a page where I can carry that list on. So these will be the next lot to go up, probably the week after, because I do batch write sometimes and film in batches as well. And then on this side I've got kind of like because I love to brainstorm, and it's kind of like a page where I can sort of jot down ideas of video and blog content. Then I've got like a page where, because one thing I do enjoy, and one thing that really helps me stay on track, is to have a page where I map out my work, and that could be either a book idea, an online course that I'm setting up, where I see my blogs and my how I see my next year or this year going, and what I'd like to do, for this year. So I use this to just map out my work and ideas, so I stay on track, and I do something like targets and things like that. And on this side I've got, because I'm doing a life coaching program called Project 2021, so I've dedicated a page for it, and I've put like notes, blog checklist for each post, video ideas, post ideas and videos, items to add to blog posts and video, because I like to make my own printables. And then on the next page I'm doing for my other thing I'm working on is my child safety course, and with that I've got my new website set up, which is called the archangelsnetwork.wordpress.com, and that is laid out. So I've got current online course development, blog ideas, items to add to the Archangels Network, video ideas. And it's just another way of like brainstorming, basically, but having it more neater and more structural. So I've got like things all over the place, and then on this side I've got like my topics where I can jot down ideas for my weekly sort of chat videos I do. Because I do as you can see, I do a tea and biscuits one, which is on Sundays. I've got my weekend one, which I do on a Saturday, so I do that on a Saturday. And I've got my midweek chat, which I do on a Wednesday. a general chat, which is on any day, midnight chat, which I haven't done. Well, I will upload one of those, and that is basically, that was supposed to be, I don't know what that was, I can't remember what that was supposed to be. I've written it down, I can't remember what it was for. Anyway, I'll remember. I have no idea why I wrote that. So I'm probably organised not, and then I did pages, and this is what I want to do for my book. Is pages where I can just brainstorm in the old-fashioned way, because I do like to do it as well. And then on this page is goals. I am a living goal setter, and I love to set myself goals each week, each day, each month, and it just keeps me on track. And it's just simple things. And there's three, and what I did this year. So I don't have so many. I have separated my goals into 3 categories: play, home, work, play. So in my daily and weekend places, pack more, because hopefully I should be moving soon. Work, finish book, because I've got a book that is almost on the edge of finishing. Do another home workout, so that's my play. And then I've got for my weekly, monthly, and I've got like sections for like fitness, reading, lifestyle, fashion, skincare, self-care. But these are basically going to be within these categories, if you know what I mean. So, and it makes me, they make these pages last a lot longer. And I like to use the whole of my notepad. Then on the next page, I have got a page where what I do is, as you see, I like to write blogs in advance, because on Sundays, like today, I don't tend to post any blogs live on Sundays. I'll either write them, schedule them for the Monday, or I'll write a post for yesterday, but I don't try and send out any blog posts, live straight away on Sundays. And so I've got blog schedule there, and it's got post, day, time, and then I've got my video, same page, but I've done it in separated days. And so, that is it really. And that is how I like to organise my work. I live in my notepads because they are just so great. And the other thing I do regularly is clear off my laptop. Then I will clear off my camera and clear off my phone. And that's basically how I manage my workload. Sometimes I might use OneNote or my post-it note program on my laptop. But I just keep it simple. I just keep it simple and, just easy to follow. And I did it that way, so I'm dying to do like a more structural outlay on my notebooks. And I'm hoping that this new system that I've put together will help me to stay even more on track with my workload. So that's it. So that's my video for this week's Organize for the Better. And yeah, see you soon. Take care.